not.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Ocean County,
Let's freaking
Southeastern
go.
Mercer County, Northeastern Burlington County, Monmouth County,
Another
Southern
SBR.
Middlesex County until
Let's
7:15
freaking
p.m.
go.
At 6:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Jamesburg to near Roosevelt to Georgetown, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour.
Let's go.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Yes, sir.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees,
Let's
and
freaking
power
go.
lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Long Branch,
Yes, sir.
Park, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, Marlboro, Manalapan, Teton Falls, Holmdel,
Let's freaking
Red
go.
Bank, Methuen, Jamesburg, Manasquan, Highttown, Point Pleasant Beach,
Yes,
and
sir.
Cranberry. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 9. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 5 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 84 and 117. For your protection, move to an
Let's
interior
go.
room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yes, sir.